All right. Please turn on your camera and allow us to record the class, ya. While wait for the other, let's get started. And hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to your BIPA session. Please tell us your name and where are you from in Bahasa Indonesia, okay? Start with me. Halo Mr. and Miss, nama saya Kamila. Saya berasal dari Indonesia. Salam kenal semuanya. Okay, maybe we can go to Kak Keisa.
Oke, halo semua. Nama saya
Halo,
nama
Halo,
saya Keisa. Saya juga berasal dari Indonesia. Salam kenal semua.
salam kenal Kak Keisa.
Maybe we can
Maybe
continue.
maybe we can continue to Miss Grace.
hello everyone. Nama saya Grace.
Halo,
Halo, Mesti.
Salam
salam kenal.
Halo.
salam kenal.
All right, thank you, Miss Grace. Maybe we can continue to Mr. Nasser.
Halo, apa
Halo,
kabar?
Alhamdulillah baik.
Alhamdulillah baik.
Senang bertemu.
Senang
Ya,
bertemu denganmu, Miss
teman
Nasser, Mr.
juga.
Nasser. All right, maybe we can continue
Nama
to
saya Nasser.
yes.
Nama saya Nasser.
Salam kenal.
Eh, Saya bertemu le 5 tahun,
Hmm?
50 tahun,
Nah,
50.
50 tahun. Bukan 5 tahun.
Yeah, 5 tahun is beautiful. Yeah, it's okay.
All right,
Or
maybe we
it's not
can. Hmm?
suitable now. It's not suitable. Anyway, saya dari Libya.
Libya.
Ya, what I can say. Saya si orang dozen. Okay. Saya si orang dozen. Understand me?
Can you say it one more time, mister?
Saya si orang dozen.
Saya seorang student.
Si orang dozen.
Oh, saya seorang dosen. Anda seorang dosen, Mister. All right.
Yes.
You're great, great. All right, thank you, Mr. Nasser. Maybe we can move to Mr.
MS.
Anas. Yes.
Ya. Halo, apa kabar? Eh,
Baik.
Nama saya Anas Abuluf. Eh, saya berumur 20 tahun. Saya dari Gaza, Palestine.
Salam kenal, Mr.
Yeah.
Anas.
All right, thank you, Miss and Mister. Maybe we can start, yeah? So we are here to learn together. So let's keep the class fun and relaxing, okay? We are all friends here. Kita semua di sini adalah teman. Maybe
Yes, of
Kak
course.
Keisa. Yes.
Okay, can you all see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, so today we are going to learn about daily routines, or in Bahasa Indonesia we call it as rutinitas sehari-hari.
Rutinitas sehari-hari.
Okay.
Yeah, rutinitas means routines and sehari-hari means daily. So today we are going to learn about daily routines. Let's get started.
Rutinitas sehari. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, please. Again, please.
What is it?
Again, please.
Again, please. Rutinitas
Rutinitas
sehari
Rutinitas sehari-hari.
Yep, good
Okay.
job. That's right.
Rutinitas sehari-hari.
Rutinitas.
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 Yep,
Rutinitas. Okay.
Rutinitas.
Thank you.
Using T.
the
Rutinitas.
sound.
Yes, T.
Rutinitas.
Rutinitas.
Sehari-hari.
Yep,
Rutinitas. Sehari-hari.
Yes. Great.
that's correct. So let's start with this activitas. It means activities. Can you guys say it?
Activitas.
Yeah, correct.
Activities.
Activities. Activitas.
Activitas.
Activities.
Is it easy, guys?
Activities.
Activitas.
Activitas.
Yep, correct. That's correct. So, can you guys see this picture? The first picture here?
Mhm.
What is she doing, guys?
Wake up.
Wake up, correct. So, wake up in bahasa Indonesia, we call it as bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Correct, bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Yep, and so what time did you bangun tidur this morning?
Okay.
7:30.
What time did you
8
wake up?
8 p.m. And time in Indonesia.
You can say it in English.
Sekeranja jam
Jam
8.
8. Sekitar jam 8. Is
Yeah.
that correct? Okay, nice. What about the second picture?
Second picture.
Eating. Correct. So, eat in bahasa Indonesia, we call it as makan. Can you say it?
Makan.
Yeah,
What?
makan.
Makan.
Apel.
Makan. Makan.
Makan.
Yeah, and this fruit is called apple.
Apple.
The same with the English word apple.
Apple.
Makan. And the last picture here, what is she doing?
Study.
Right.
Study. Right, yeah. So she is studying. And study in bahasa Indonesia is belajar. Can you say it?
Belajar.
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 Ya,
Belajar. Belajar.
ya belajar.
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 Yep,
Belajar.
correct.
Belajar.
Just like what we're doing right now. We are belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Belajar.
Yeah, so
Belajar.
now here are some of the activities, some of the words in bahasa Indonesia. Let's try to pronounce it right. Okay. Start with bangun tidur. Repeat after me.
Tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Nih, like this. Bangun tidur. Dur.
Bangun.
Bangun tidur.
Tidur.
Okay. The second one is tidur or sleep.
Tidur.
Oh, the first one, there is G. It's not to pronounce it, huh?
I'm sorry,
Banon,
sir.
banon, tidor. Banon,
No,
tidor.
we make the sound ngeh, ngeh. Bangun.
Ba,
Ngun. Yep.
mon,
Bangun.
mon.
No.
Bamon, okay.
You know the
Bangun.
word
Tidur.
mango?
Bangun.
Mango?
Mango.
Yeah. There's a sound, ngeh. We
Mhm.
use it here. Bangun.
Bawon.
Yeah,
Bawon
correct.
tidur.
Bangun.
Bawon tidur. Bawon
Tidur.
tidur.
Correct. Can you try it one more time?
Bawon tidur.
Bangun tidur.
Correct.
Bawon tidur.
Yep. And the second one here?
Bangun tidur.
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 Bawon
Tidur.
Tidur.
tidur. Bawon tidur.
Yep, correct. And
Means
now,
wake up.
yeah, bangun tidur means wake up, and tidur means sleep.
Sleep. Tidur, sleep.
So bangun tidur basically mean we wake up from sleep.
Okay.
Bawon tidur.
Yep.
Bangun tidur. Tidur.
Yep. And the third one is makan.
Makan.
Yeah, makan.
Makan.
Yeah, it means eat.
Makan.
Eat. Okay.
Makan. Yeah, that's right. Is it easy?
Yeah, it's easy.
Yes.
Okay, we move to masak.
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 Yeah,
Masak.
it means cooking. Next. I'm sorry.
Masak.
Yeah,
Masak.
masak.
Okay.
Next here, there is belajar.
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 It means
Belajar.
study.
Studying belajar.
Okay. Belajar.
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 Yeah,
Belajar.
yeah, that's correct.
Belajar
Belajar.
Belajar.
means study.
Yep. Is it clear? Belajar?
Yeah.
Okay, we move to olahraga.
Olahraga.
Yeah, correct. That's very good. It means exercising.
Exercise.
Anyone want to try? Say olahraga.
Olahraga.
Correct. How about Miss
Olahraga.
Grace?
Olahraga.
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 Correct. Next, we move to main.
Main.
Yeah, main means play. Is it easy? Main?
Main.
No,
Main.
we connect it together. Just main.
Main.
Like the word main. Main. It's not main. We do not. What is it? What is the word? It's not too like main. It is main.
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 Yeah. Main.
Main. Like mine.
Main.
Standing.
Main.
Mine.
Right
It's
or not?
It's not main. No. It's main.
Main.
Yep, correct. Main.
Main.
Is that clear?
Main.
Yes.
Main.
Okay.
Okay.
Main.
Yeah, main. And the last one is tonton.
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 Tonton means watch.
On.
Do you want to try to say it? Tonton?
Tonton.
Tonton.
Yeah, tonton.
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 Okay.
Tonton.
So
Tonton.
is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Or is there any word that you want to relearn? You want me to say it again?
We
No.
know again. Let's try everyone. Yeah, try to re-say
One by
the
one?
words again. Themselves, one by one.
Okay, let's start with the first one. What is it?
Can I start?
Yeah, please.
Bangun tidur.
Bangun,
Bangun tidur.
bangun tidur.
Ba
Okay.
bangun tidur.
Okay. Anyone want to try again?
Anas.
Bangun
Okay.
tidur.
Please, Mr. Anas.
Bangun tidur.
Bangun.
Tidur.
Okay. How about Miss Grace?
Bangun tidur.
Okay. Now the second one.
Tidur.
Tidur.
Tidur. Okay. This one is easy, right? Now the third one.
Makan. Makan.
Is it
Makan.
also easy? Is it also easy?
Yes.
Yes.
This is
How
easy.
about this one?
Masak.
Masak. Masak.
Correct. Masak. This one?
Belajar.
Belajar.
Bila raja.
Yeah.
Bila raja.
Belajar.
Belajar.
Bila
Belajar.
raja.
This one?
Olahraga.
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 Yeah. This
Olahraga.
one?
Main.
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 Main. Correct, Miss Grace. Try
Main.
to say it like that. Main.
Main.
Tonton.
Tonton.
Yeah, the last one is
Tonton.
tonton. Okay, so is there
Yes, good.
any activity that you want to know the word in Bahasa Indonesia? Or
Fine.
if
Okay.
not, we can continue.
Yeah.
On wake up in the morning
Wake up in the morning
at 7.
at 7. We will learn it after this, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Kak Camila, you can continue.
All right, thank you, Kak Keisa. All right,
Okay.
now with me, with Camila. So after you learn, Camila, after you learn many activities, let's learn how to make it into a simple sentences in Bahasa Indonesia, okay? So look at this sentence. This sentence is said that saya minum kopi. Saya minum kopi. It means I drink coffee.
I drink
Saya,
coffee.
yes. Saya means I, minum means drink, kopi means coffee. So the pattern is subject plus verb plus noun. Can you try it together? Saya minum kopi.
Saya minum kopi.
Yeah, great, Mr. Nasser. So, for another example, we
Saya
can...
minum kopi.
Yes, great. Miss Grace, maybe? Saya minum
Saya
kopi.
minum kopi.
Yeah, great everyone. So for another example, we can also say something without noun like saya tidur, saya olahraga. Alright?
Okay, right. Okay.
Is there any question? If there are still no question, maybe anyone want to try making a sentence using the activity we have learned before with Kak Keisa? Maybe, yeah. Anyone want to try making a sentence? Previous, I said that saya
Yes.
minum kopi. Maybe Mr. Anas want to try?
Okay.
Yes, saya masak.
Yeah, good job. What is it, Mr.
Okay.
Anas?
Saya
Mhm.
saya olahraga.
Saya
Nah,
olahraga. Great. Miss Grace, maybe?
Saya main.
Great, good job, everyone. Very good, very good. All right, next slide, please, Kak Keisa. All right, now let's look at the other forms of sentences. So, how do we ask a question, say yes or say no in Bahasa Indonesia? Okay, so look at the slide. So to ask a question, you should use the word apakah. Apakah? As you can see here. For
Apakah?
example, yes, apakah?
Apakah?
Yes. For example, apakah kamu minum kopi?
Apakah kamu minum kopi?
Apakah kamu minum
Minum.
kopi?
Yes, which means do you drink coffee? So let's try it together. For apakah kamu
Apakah kamu
minum kopi?
minum
Minum
kopi?
Yes,
Kopi.
we use the word apakah. All right?
Apakah?
Yes.
Apakah?
Yes, there's for the question, okay? And for to give a positive answer, we use the word ya. For example, ya, saya minum kopi, which means yes, I drink coffee. Repeat after
Okay.
me, okay? Ya, saya minum kopi.
Ya, saya minum kopi.
Ya,
Yeah,
saya
great.
Saya minum
Okay.
kopi.
Yes, good. To give a negative answer, you can use the word tidak. Tidak.
Tidak.
Tidak.
For example, tidak, saya tidak minum kopi, which means, no, I do not drink coffee. Repeat after me, okay? Tidak, saya tidak minum kopi.
Tidak, saya tidak minum kopi.
Okay, great. Jadi, so
Thank
for the
you.
question, we use apakah.
Apakah?
Yes, to give a positive answer, we use ya.
Okay.
And for to give a negative answer, we use tidak. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, before we move,
tidak no.
tidak no. Ya, yes. Before we move,
Okay.
let me check first. Apakah sudah paham? Is there any question? If there are no question, maybe
Again, please.
again. Okay. For the
Again, please.
all right. For the question, for asking a question, we use apakah.
Apakah
Apakah.
means
Apakah
Apakah
means do you have a question?
means do you?
Do you
Apakah
have a question?
kamu apakah kamu memiliki pertanyaan? Do you have a question? Artinya, dalam bahasa Inggris, Do you have a question? We use apakah. Apakah kamu memiliki pertanyaan?
Okay.
Okay. Alright. For the
Okay.
positive answer. Ya,
Yeah.
saya minum kopi. Yes, I drink coffee.
Tidak mean is not. Oh,
Yes,
no.
for tidak, it means no. Tidak, saya tidak minum kopi. Maybe we can practice a little bit, okay? I will ask you a question and you can answer, okay? So, apakah kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia sekarang?
Ya,
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 saya
belajar
ya,
Indonesia.
saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Great. Great, everyone.
Bahasa
Maybe,
Indonesia.
I'm sorry?
bahasa
Belajar
Indonesia.
bahasa
Belajar
Indonesia.
bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa
Yes. Once again, okay, for the question we use apakah, for the positive answer we use ya, for the negative answer we use tidak.
tidak.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
All right, we can move to the next slide.
Okay, now we will learn about the time expression in Bahasa Indonesia. Have you guys learned about it like previous meeting in the previous class?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Ya.
there are pagi means morning, siang means afternoon, sore means late afternoon and the start of evening, and malam means night. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes. Ya.
What?
Yes.
When do you usually wake up? Is it pagi or malam?
Pagi.
Pagi.
What about dinner? Pagi, siang, sore,
Siang.
or malam? Dinner.
Siang.
Malam.
Okay, dinner. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
dinner. We have
Malam.
dinner
Malam.
at
Malam.
malam. Okay, now let's learn some meal
Malam, yes.
times. So in Indonesia, we call breakfast as sarapan.
Sarapan.
Let's try again. Sarapan.
Sarapan.
Okay,
Sarapan.
correct. Yeah. When do we sarapan? Pagi, siang, sore, malam.
Pagi.
Pagi, correct. How about this one? Lunch. We say it as makan siang.
Makan siang.
Makan siang.
Yeah. We just call it as makan, the activity, with the time. Siang. So, makan
siang.
siang. Yeah. The same with dinner. We just call it as makan and the time. Malam. Makan malam.
Sorry, the electricity went out.
I'm sorry, sir?
The electricity went out, so it's a dark place now. You can't see me well.
But can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah, I hear you very well.
Okay. Okay, let's try it one more time from sarapan.
Sarapan, yes.
One by one.
Sarapan.
Mr. Nasser
Yes, sarapan.
and then Mr. Anas.
Okay. Sarapan.
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 Okay, Miss Grace.
Sarapan.
Correct. How? Now the second one. Makan siang.
Makan
Makan
siang.
Yeah,
siang.
it means lunch.
Okay, means lunch. Mean
Makan siang.
makan siang.
Okay, Miss Grace.
Makan siang.
Okay, the last one.
Makan
Makan
malam.
malam.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Malam.
Makan malam
Malam.
means dinner.
Yeah, it means dinner. Makan malam.
Makan malam.
Is it easy,
Yeah.
Mr. Nasser?
Yes, it is easy. Makan siang, makan malam.
Okay, how about Miss Grace?
Makan malam.
Okay. Now, or now to make it into a sentence, look at this example. Saya minum kopi pagi ini. It means I drank coffee this morning. So, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Nasser asked about this, right?
Yes, yes.
To
Saya,
say, saya bangun tidur tadi pagi. Is that correct?
yes, pagi ini.
Iya, saya bangun tidur
Minum
pagi
kopi pagi
ini.
ini. Pagi ini.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
that's
the
right.
pattern is subject, verb, and then noun, and the time expression. Is it easy to understand?
Yes.
Anyone want to try to say this sentence? Maybe one by one?
Saya,
Yes,
saya
please.
minum. Yes, saya minum kopi pagi ini.
Okay.
Saya
Next
minum kopi pagi ini.
This morning.
What does minum mean?
Is it this morning or in the morning?
Pagi ini means this morning. Ini mean this. Pagi means morning.
Saya minum kopi.
And mean this?
Ini
Mean
means
is this?
this.
Okay.
Pagi means morning.
Pagi.
Pagi ini.
Is there any other question?
Nothing.
No? Okay. So, Miss
Alright.
Kak Kamila?
Yes, thank you Kak Keisa. We have learned about keterangan waktu, and then now we will learn about konjungsi. Konjungsi means conjunction, okay? So sometimes we want to talk about more than one activity. So to connect
Again, it means
konjungsi.
Conjunsi.
We use the konjungsi.
Conjunsi.
Yes, great. Konjungsi.
Conjunsi.
Yes, konjungsi. It means conjunction. So sometimes
Okay.
we want to talk about more than one activity. So to connect two activities, we can use kemudian atau lalu. So kemudian and lalu, both of them means then. Okay.
Oh.
So for kemudian is more formal, while lalu is considered to be informal. Let's try it. Kemudian.
Kemudian.
Using
Lalu.
i. Kemudian.
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 Yes.
Kemudian.
Kemudian.
Kemudian,
Yes,
lalu,
kemudian.
Kemudian.
Kemudian, yes. And then lalu.
Lalu.
Ya,
Kemudian
lalu.
lalu.
Ya, so
lalu.
kemudian and lalu means then. It's a meaning, okay? So anyone want to try reading an example here?
Okay.
Kemudian, well, all the example down.
Actually, the example is the same. So we can use the kemudian or lalu. For example, saya sarapan, lalu saya pergi ke kampus. Or, saya sarapan, kemudian saya pergi ke kampus. So it is the same. For kemudian is for formal and lalu is for informal. Okay, you get it?
Lalu.
Okay.
Do you guys want to try to read this example?
Ya, saya sarapan, lalu saya pergi ke kampus.
Yes. And then now using kemudian. Who wants to try?
Yes. Saya sarapan, kemudian saya pergi ke kampus.
Yes, great, Mr. Nasser. So, Mr. Anas want to try or Miss Grace want to try?
Yes. Saya sarapan,
Mm-mm.
kemudian saya pergi ke kampus.
Yes, great. And for Mr. Anas?
Saya serban,
Mm-mm.
lalu saya berangkat ke kamus. Ke kamus.
Kampus.
I'm
Yes.
sorry.
So, for kemudian and lalu is like the bridge. The bridge for one activities to other activities. Okay? For
Yeah.
Sarapan means eat breakfast altogether. Sarapan means
what is
eat
it?
breakfast.
Yeah, sarapan
Sarapan.
eat breakfast.
Together
Okay.
eat breakfast.
Sarapan is breakfast.
Yeah, saya sarapan means I eat breakfast. Lalu saya pergi ke kampus mean then I go to campus. For other example, maybe it can be like this. Saya bangun tidur, kemudian saya mandi.
Well, we learned makan. Makan, eat, means eat. So why don't you use makan sarapan?
Let me explain it.
Alright, Miss Kak
Okay,
Keisha,
so
please.
in bahasa Indonesia, makan sarapan can be used as the verb and the noun.
Okay.
So it means eat breakfast, but it can also means breakfast, only breakfast.
Eat
So
breakfast juga.
yeah, so it's not saya makan sarapan. It's more common to say saya sarapan.
Okay. I understand you.
Okay, so
Alright.
sarapan could be the food and could be the activity. Okay?
Okay. Activity.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can say saya makan sarapan, but it's more common to say it as saya sarapan.
Okay. So there's no problem if I used it.
No, there's no problem. You can also say it as saya makan sarapan.
But in
Okay.
Indonesia, we commonly say
Understand?
only saya sarapan.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can also add name of food after sarapan. So it's like saya sarapan roti. I eat bread as breakfast.
Roti, this mean bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, did you get the conjunctions, the konjungsi? Kemudian and lalu is for then, for the bridge for one one activity to other activity. Saya sarapan, lalu saya pergi ke kampus. Atau, or, saya sarapan, kemudian saya pergi ke kampus. For other example, it can be like, saya bangun tidur, lalu saya mandi. Atau, or, saya bangun tidur, kemudian saya
Eat.
mandi. Right? So, the difference is in formal or informal occasion. You can use kemudian for formal occasion and you can use lalu for informal occasion. Okay?
Okay. Pergi ki.
Okay.
Ki is two. Means two. Ki. Ki
Ke.
campus. Ki is
Yeah.
means two.
Ke. Ke.
Ke.
Cool.
Ke.
Ke.
It means
Ke.
to.
El-
Ke. Ke campus. Ke campus. Ke campus. Okay.
Yeah, so saya means I, sarapan means eat breakfast, lalu means then, saya means I, pergi means go, ke means to, kampus means campus. Okay?
Okay. Mr. Nasser, campus mean in the عربي اللي هو الحرم الجامعي صح؟
Right.
صح؟
You can ask them, Mr. Anas. They speak
Actually,
English
didn't
too.
understand Arab.
No, you didn't understand Arab.
Actually,
Okay.
I do not. Maybe I can learn with you.
Okay, we'll teach you. We'll
All
teach
right.
you Arabic.
We can continue?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please, Miss Keisa.
Okay, so now here's a fun fact. We have Islam as the major religion in Indonesia. So sometimes we use the prayer time to tell about the time. So subuh is around dawn, zuhur is around noon, asar in the afternoon, like the start of evening, and maghrib is around sunset, and lastly isha is at night. So instead of saying, okay, I'll see you at 1 p.m., instead of saying at 1 p.m., we say after zuhur. So I'll see you after zuhur, like that. Like this. Instead of saying I go to campus at 1 p.m., Indonesian people often say it like I go to campus after zuhur. Is it easy to understand?
Yes. Zuhur.
Yeah. But don't worry, guys, because you do not need to memorize all of this. So this is just a fun fact to tell you that when you arrive at Indonesia, you may hear these expressions. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it okay if we continue? Or is there
Okay.
any question? If no, then that's it. That's all. You have learned about activities. You have learned how to make sentences. You have learned about the time expression and also conjunction. Do you want to review anything before we practice?
Anyway, welcome to the class, Mr. Abdul.
Halo, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mohon maaf, saya lagi di jalan. Sebentar, saya masuk rumah. Saya telat.
It's
It's
okay.
fine, Mr.
Well, your
Abdul.
Indonesian is good.
Alhamdulillah, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. So, did you guys have any question before we practice? Sebelum kita latihan?
Gak apa-apa,
No.
latihan.
So, is it okay if we just continue to the practice? Halo? Class?
Halo, halo.
Halo?
Ya,
Is everyone still here?
yes.
Halo?
Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, do you guys want to review? What is it in Bahasa Indonesia? Do you guys still remember? What is it?
Makan.
Makan. Correct. Let's see again. What about exercise?
Olahraga.
Olahraga. I'm sorry. Study.
Belajar.
Belajar.
Belajar. Oh, I forgot to add one more activity. So, Kak Camila mentioned about mandi. Do you still remember? Mandi.
Mandi. Yeah,
So
shower.
it means, yeah, shower.
Shower.
How can you know?
Did you already learn it before?
Some teacher mentioned some lessons ago.
Okay, it's good to know that you all already know about mandi. Because now we will practice. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
How about the others? It's gonna
Ready?
be fun.
Yeah, no need to, what is it? No need to deg-degan.
No need to worry.
No need to be nervous.
Yes. We can
This is
start, Kak Keisa.
yeah, this is the practice. Let me see. Aduh. Please wait a moment, yeah. Okay. So here is the practice. How to make it. So this is the practice. We will play a game called Rutinitas Saya. It means my routines. Say it with me.
Rutinitas saya.
Rutinitas saya.
Rutinitas sehari-hari.
Yeah,
Yes.
this one. Rutinitas saya.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means my routines. Okay?
Okay.
So there are 3 levels. Let's start with the first levels. The first level. So you will make a sentence. Okay. We can see here there is an emoji. You will make a sentence using this pattern. Okay, is it clear? Do you get it?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let me give you an example, okay? So this is a coffee, right? So
Right.
I will make a sentence using this emoji, using this picture. So I will say, saya minum kopi.
Saya minum kopi.
Yeah. So we will see the answer here. Saya minum kopi. Like that. Is it easy? Do you guys want to try it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
who wants to be the first? Maybe Mr. Anas.
Okay.
This one.
This is the breakfast. As
How do you say it in bahasa Indonesia? Saya
saya sarapan.
sarapan. Saya
Sarapan
sarapan.
using p. Sarapan.
Sarapan.
Pan.
Yep, correct.
Sarapan.
Yes.
Let's see any other example ya. Or we can also say saya makan.
Saya makan.
Ya, saya makan malam. Saya makan siang. Saya sarapan. Next, maybe Miss Grace. This one.
Saya
Belajar.
saya belajar.
Ya, let's see. Saya belajar. It means
I am studying.
I'm studying. Correct. The last person. Oh, the last, what is it?
The last 2%. That is Mr. Nasser and
Oh,
Mr.
yeah.
Abdul.
How about Mr. Abdul? Do you want to try?
Hello, Mr. Abdul. Are you there? Maybe we can go to Mr. Nasser first, Kak Keisa.
Okay. How about Mr. Nasser? Could you make a
Yes.
sentence?
Go to bed.
Ya, saya.
Saya
Saya malam.
What is go to bed? What is sleep in bahasa
Pergi
Indonesia?
malam.
Tidur.
Bisa.
Tidur.
Pergi.
right, Mr. Anas. So what is it,
Saya
Mr. Nasser?
Yes. Saya
Tidur.
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 yeah, let's
Yes.
see.
Tidur.
Saya bangun tidur. No, saya tidur is also correct.
There was connection between you and me.
What?
Because of so I forget the vocabs
No,
you've
that's
given.
fine.
It's okay, that's fine.
What about we move to the second level? So in the second level, in level 2, you will make a sentence but with time expression. You will use the petunjuk waktu. So if you see this image, you can say saya minum kopi pagi ini.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, you can use pagi or malam, okay?
Yes.
Maybe now we can start with Mr. Nasser first.
Mhm.
Let's see. This one.
Okay, saya tidur. That's
This one.
right. Malam.
Ya, saya tidur malam ini.
Malam ini, yes, malam ini.
Let's see. Saya tidur
Malam ini.
Okay. Next, who wants to be the next?
Maybe Miss
Anas.
Grace. Oh, Anas. Miss Grace first,
Okay.
maybe.
1 minute, please. Just 1 minute.
All right, Miss Grace, please.
Oke.
Saya
Saya makan lasya ini.
What is it?
Saya makan or minum.
Mm-mm.
Which one can I minum or makan?
For food, it's makan.
Makan. Saya makan lasya ini.
Saya makan. This one. The time.
Time malam.
Malam ini.
Iya,
Malam
saya
ini.
makan.
Saya
Let's see.
makan malam ini.
Yeah.
Iya, saya makan malam ini. Or saya makan malam. That's also correct.
Great, Miss Grace. Now we move to Mr. Anas.
We do not have any other emoji. Oh, this one.
No.
It's also
Nah, this one. You can try,
okay.
Mr. Anas. What is it?
One is kampus ya. Kampus and
Campus is a house.
no, campus is a campus. Is a
Campus university.
university.
University. Where is
Oh,
Mr. Where is
I
Mr.
thought
Anas?
it
Yeah.
is a house.
No, it's a campus. It's a campus.
Did Mr. Anas
He,
hear?
he said, excuse me. He had an excuse.
Oh, maybe
Okay.
Mr. Abdul want to try to making a sentence.
Hi.
All right.
Halo?
Already
Yeah.
come back.
Halo, halo?
Halo.
Ya,
Halo.
ada yang panggil nama saya? Maaf,
Iya, betul.
gimana?
Can you try to make a sentence, Mr. Abdul? This is a picture of campus and the time is pagi. Make a sentence in bahasa Indonesia using this pattern. Can you say it?
Seperti apa besok pagi saya ke kampus?
That's good.
That's
You can start
good.
with saya. Saya
Ya, saya pergi ke universitas besok pagi jam 7.
correct. Okay,
Great.
that's very
Full of
good.
full sentence.
A full sentence.
Thank you.
Let's see. Saya pergi ke kampus pagi ini is also correct.
Pagi.
Maybe the last one, Mr. Anas want to try.
Okay. Saya tidur. Saya
Ya.
tidur. Eh, l- lala.
Lalu
Saya tidur. Lala. Saya mandi.
yeah, or maybe to make it more, what is it? Kak Camilla, please help me.
To make it more formal, we can use kemudian also.
No, what I mean
Saya,
is
what is it?
bangun pagi because
Oh,
after sleep we do not mandi.
bangun
it-
tidur.
Do you want to make it as an example first? Let me explain first, yeah. So this is the last level. There will be two activities, 1 and 2, and you will use the konjungsi lalu or kemudian. For example here, saya bangun
Saya
tidur,
tidur, then
lalu
Lalu
saya
lalu
mandi.
saya mandi.
Can you read it?
Saya bangun tidur, lalu saya mandi.
Correct. Now let's start. Anyone want to try?
Saya tidur, saya mandi,
mandi.
saya
Saya
mandi,
mandi
Lu-
lula,
Lalu.
lalu
Yes.
lalu
saya makan.
makan. What is
Great.
it?
What is
Do you
it?
still remember?
sarapan.
Sarapan, correct. But this food, the name of this food, do you guys still remember?
I've mentioned it before.
Rob,
It's not
Rob?
mentioned it before.
what is it?
Me mentioned it before.
Kak Camilla mentioned it.
Mention it?
Roti.
Yeah, roti. It means bread.
Bread. Bread is
Roti.
roti. Roti. Yes.
Roti.
Using R.
Roti.
Roti.
So,
Roti.
saya
Roti.
mandi.
saya mandi, lalu makan roti.
Ya,
Yeah.
saya mandi lalu saya sarapan roti. Atau or saya mandi lalu saya sarapan.
Okay. We can
Without
also
the
say
roti. It's okay to not
saya
use the
mandi.
food.
Lalu saya makan roti. Is it easy?
Question.
Yeah, please.
Sarapan means what? Sarapan.
Sarapan means
Breakfast.
eat breakfast.
Breakfast. Okay. Sarapan.
Another one. Who wants to try?
Yes, saya sarapan, lalu belajar.
Ya, saya sarapan, lalu saya
Belajar.
Belajar.
We can also say
Yes.
Yeah.
saya makan,
Saya
Makan.
makan, saya makan, lalu belajar. Saya belajar.
ya
Yes.
betul, correct.
Makan.
How about Miss Grace? Do you want to try this one? This is a campus. Kampus.
Okay.
Sekolah.
Saya pergi kampus, lalu saya tidur.
Correct. Saya pergi ke kampus, lalu saya tidur.
Saya tidur di kampus. We sleep
Saya
in
tidur di
campus.
Saya tidur. Tidur.
Alright,
Okay,
the next
one.
emoji.
This one. Who wants to try?
Mr. Anas or Mr.
Yeah.
Abdul, maybe. Oh, Mr. Anas
Yes,
want to
yes.
try.
Yes.
Saya minum kopi.
Saya
lalu ke kampus. Lalu tidur ke kampus.
Okay.
Yes, great. Maybe Mr. Anas want to retell.
Saya
Right.
minum kopi. Lalu saya what's mean? Kampus.
Pergi.
Ke kampus.
Ke
Saya
kampus.
minum kopi. Lala saya kampus.
Ya, saya
Yes.
kopi.
Great.
Lalu
Great.
saya pergi ke kampus.
Okay.
What it means in English, class? Can someone tell me?
In English.
What? Excuse me?
This sentence. What is
In
it
English.
in English? Yeah, right.
I drink coffee, then I go to campus, to the university campus.
Great.
Yeah, correct.
Right.
Got it.
Is
Again
there
or
any emoji again, Kak Keisa?
this one?
Mr. Abdul want to try maybe? Are you here with
Iya,
us?
iya, iya.
Yes, let's try.
Oke. Saya belajar
Lalu
di rumah sendiri. Lalu saya belajar di rumah sampai jam 10 malam. Kemudian atau setelah itu saya tidur.
yeah,
Great.
Okay,
Correct.
let's see.
Saya
Saya belajar, lalu saya.
Lalu saya tidur.
Is there anyone want to tell me what is it in English?
Study, then I go to sleep.
Yeah, correct.
I
Do you
study,
get
then
it?
I go to sleep.
What is it?
I study, then I go to sleep.
Correct, that's correct. Let's see. I think that's all.
Yes.
it's all for the games.
How was it? The game? Is it hard?
Moody.
Yeah. How was it, class? Is it hard? Was it hard, the activity, the game?
Yeah, and a little bit hard.
A little bit hard, that's fine. Because we're still learning, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes,
So now,
language is time.
All right. Thank you, Kak Keisa, and everyone who participate. Now, let's do some task. Waktunya mengerjakan tugas. So before, I want you guys to tell Kak Keisa and me about your activities before you come to today's BIPA class. Or in Bahasa Indonesia, ceritakan aktivitas yang kamu lakukan sebelum kelas BIPA. So you have to tell us about your activities before coming to today's class, okay? And to wrap everything up, we also have one last expression on the slide. Number 4, as you can see here. Saat ini. The red word. So, saat ini is to talk about what are you doing right now. So you use the phrase saat ini. It means right now. Okay. Can you try?
Pada. Pada. What does pada mean? Pada.
Saat ini.
Bangun. Can you remind me with bangun?
Bangun tidur means wake up.
Okay, wake up.
So did you clear
Okay,
with the
saya
saat ini?
saya bangun tidur. Tujuh pagi hari. Tujuh pagi hari. Is that correct?
That's correct. Saya bangun tidur pukul 7 pagi.
Tujuh pagi hari.
Yeah, that's correct.
Correct.
Lalu pergi ke kampus, universitas.
Okay.
Did you guys clear enough with the phrase saat ini in number 4? As you can see here, the red word.
Saat ini.
Saat ini
Repeat
saya
after me.
belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Yes, saat ini.
Saat ini saya belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Yes, it means sekarang saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Right now. Saat ini means right now. Okay?
Right now. Okay. Yes. Saat ini saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. That's right.
Yeah, so like I said before, I want you guys to tell us about your activities before coming to today's class. So I will give you several minutes, maybe 3 until 5 minutes. So you can write down your activities and then you can read after 5 minutes from now, okay?
Is
So
that clear?
is that clear?
Yes, that's clear.
Okay, so you have to prepare your own story using the routines, conjunctions, and then time expressions that we have learned today. And after that, everyone will take turns to share it to us, okay? So let's start preparing. You can write down your activities and then read aloud when I call your name, okay?
Is there any question? Hello? Have you all finished? Hello, hello.
I think we tried to do this. Selected some activities. Can I start?
Wait, let me ask Kak Camila. Camila?
Or wait the others. Wait the others to come.
Yeah, we can wait
Yeah.
for the others. For Miss Grace, Mr. Anas, and Mr. Abdul. Did you guys finish? Did you have finished your work, Miss Grace?
Maybe Mr. Anas can go first.
How about Mr. Anas and Mr. Abdul? Did you guys finish?
I can go.
You can go. Kak Keisa. Hello, Kak Keisa.
Yeah.
Should we start to listen?
Wait.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Who will be the first?
Miss Grace gonna be the first.
Okay.
I can start. I wait.
Wait a minute, okay?
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
You might start, Miss Grace.
Saya bangun tidur pagi, lalu saya mandi, dan saya makan roti. Saat ini belajar saya bahasa Indonesia.
Okay. Now let's check it together, okay? So for the
Okay.
first, saya bangun tidur pagi. Is that correct, Kak Keisa?
How about we ask
The
the
others.
other?
Is that correct, Mr. Nasser? Saya bangun tidur pagi.
Saya bangun tidur pagi.
Yeah, so it's correct ya. And then, lalu saya mandi dan saya makan roti. Is that correct?
Lalu saya mandi dan saya no.
Why is it
I
no?
think dan is incorrect.
Dan?
Should be lalu. Lalu saya makan roti.
Alright.
Oh,
So let me
what
explain
do
a
you
little
think,
bit ya.
Amel?
Dan also can be used for connecting activities one to other. So, lalu saya mandi dan saya makan roti. Actually, it's correct, but we can do shower while we eat the bread, right? So we can
We
do
cannot.
we cannot do shower while we also eat a bread, right?
Mm.
So Mr. Nasser is correct. It's supposed to be saya mandi, lalu saya makan roti. Maybe Kak
Saya
Keisa
mandi.
can help us to write the right answer.
What is it? I'm sorry.
Saya mandi,
Saya mandi,
lalu
lalu
saya makan roti.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Good.
Nasser. And then the next
Hello.
one.
Hi.
Sa-
Hello. Sorry, I
Hello.
have a problem with the internet, but I am right.
Okay,
good.
let's check
Okay.
Mr. Grace work ya. The last one. Saat ini belajar saya bahasa Indonesia. Is that correct, guys?
Saya belajar bahas ini. Saya belajar bahas ini. Bahas Indonesia.
Saya bahasa Indonesia.
Yes, great. So, it's supposed to be saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Okay,
Yes.
not belajar saya, but saya belajar.
Okay.
That's great.
Saya bahasa Indonesia.
Okay.
Right. So, saat ini saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Great. Give applause to
Give
Miss
applause to Miss
Grace.
Grace.
Miss Kak Keisa, maybe you can help us to coret.
How to coret?
Control U.
Like this?
And then coret tengah-tengahnya.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay, maybe we can delete the wrong sentence. So this is the right sentences. Okay, Miss Grace, maybe you can screenshot.
Yes.
Okay. All right, now we move to the next student who want to try first. Mr. Nasser, maybe?
Can I try?
Okay.
Is that right?
Yes. Please.
Yes, we prepared some sentences. Saya bangun pada waktu sabah.
Saya
Saya
bangun
Bangun
pada waktu subuh.
pada waktu subuh.
And then?
Then lalu saya minum kopi. Dan lalu it's okay. Dan lalu
What is it?
dan lalu
Dan lalu. Dan lalu, Kak Keisa, dan lalu.
Dan lalu, yes, we write it. Pergi ke universitas.
Pergi ke universitas.
Is that correct?
Is that all?
Ya, di makan siang. Saya makan siang. Lalu makan siang.
Lalu
saya belajar. Okay.
Is that all?
Is that all?
There are a lot. All right, try it. waktu sleeping. Okay.
Yeah, go on. It's okay.
It's okay. Salat isya. We can say saya salat isya.
Saya sholat isya.
So saya pergi waktu isya. Salat isya. Saya pergi salat isya. Is that correct?
Saya pergi saat waktu isya. Is that it?
Yes. Saat ini I belajar bahasa Indonesia. Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia.
That's all? That's
Yeah.
all? All right.
So
Great, Mr. Nasser. Let us check together, okay? For the first one, saya bangun pada waktu subuh. Is that correct?
yes.
Kak Keisa, is that correct?
That's correct.
Yes, that's correct. All right, the next one. Lalu saya minum kopi dan lalu pergi ke universitas. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
What do you think, Miss Grace?
It's correct.
What do you think, Mr. Anas? Is correct?
Yes.
All right, so
Lalu, the first. It's okay?
I'm sorry?
It's okay, lalu? At the beginning, lalu?
Okay, let me explain ya. Actually, we cannot use dan and lalu in what is it, side
Together.
by side. So
Okay.
we should choose one of them. If we can,
And
if we gonna
it's
use
in
lalu
English, and then.
and then. But in Indonesia, we only choose one of them, either lalu or dan.
Okay.
So for the words dan, it can be used if the activities is we do the activities together in the same time.
Let me give an example. Saya sarapan roti dan minum kopi. We can use dan because we do it together. I have my roti and I have my coffee together.
Okay, connect them with
Yeah.
with them.
Yes, yes.
Shortening the words, the sentences.
No, I mean, let me write it ya.
Yes, please.
Saya sarapan roti dan saya minum kopi. Salah. Saya minum kopi. We can say it like this because I have my sarapan and my coffee together at the same time.
Okay.
At the same time. Okay? I do those two activities at the same time. Okay?
Okay.
We use lalu or kemudian for then, after not
we do,
together.
yes, after
To
we
show
do the
that
first
there is a time between the two.
Yep,
Yes.
there's a gap. There's a time gap between the two activities.
So for the second sentence, it should be what? What do you think?
Saya minum kopi,
And then?
lalu pergi ke universitas.
Yes. Is that correct, Kak Keisa?
Correct. Good
Yay,
job.
correct. All right, now we move to the third sentence. Saya makan siang, lalu saya belajar. Is that correct, guys? What do you think, Mr. Anas and Miss
Correct
Grace?
for me. It's correct for me.
It's correct for you. It's also correct for me. So it's
Yes.
correct, ya guys. Yay. The fourth one, saya pergi saat waktu Isya. Is that correct? What do you think, guys?
Salat, not saat.
Oh, salat. Saya pergi salat Isya.
Yes.
Like this?
Oh, great.
Yes.
Is
Isya.
that correct? Yeah, it's correct ya. Yay.
Awesome.
And for the last one, saat ini saya
I hope.
belajar bahasa Indonesia. That's also correct. Yay.
Right.
Good job, Mr. Nasser. So give applause for him.
Hard luck for Mr. Anas and Miss Grace.
Kerja bagus. All right. For our last friend here, Mr. Anas,
Okay.
it's now your turn.
Okay. Saya bin Jun
Bangun
pada waktu subuh.
Pada waktu subuh.
Bangun pada waktu.
Lalu saya makan siang.
And then?
Saya pergi satu waktu Isya.
saya pergi
Saya pergi
waktu Isya.
waktu Isya. And
That's
then?
correct? Like this?
Okay. Saya okay. Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Saat ini
Saat ini saya belajar bahasa Indonesia.
All right, let us check together. Okay, thank you, Mr. Anas. So, for the first
Thank
sentence,
you.
saya bangun pada waktu subuh. Is that correct? Yeah,
Correct or no?
correct. Thumbs up.
That's
Correct.
correct.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
correct.
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 And the
Mm.
second
Or
sentence, lalu saya makan siang. Is that correct?
Saya
Thumbs
makan
up
siang.
or thumbs down?
Saya makan siang. Saya makan siang. I think there is a place.
There is what?
Something missing.
Something missing? What is it?
After
Okay,
makan siang.
okay. Lalu saya minum kopi.
After makan siang, lalu saya minum kopi.
Yes.
Did you eat with the eat and then eat?
Lalu saya minum kopi.
It's correct. It's correct.
It's correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
It's correct.
Correct? We agreed
Yeah,
this one is correct. Okay, it's correct. And then the third one, saya pergi waktu Isya. Where did you go?
Go. Cool. There is a cool. Two. Missing. To masjid.
Saya pergi
Bisa.
ke masjid.
To masjid. Waktu Isya.
So in English, what is masjid in English?
Mosque.
I
Mosque.
go to
Yeah.
the mosque.
وين تمشي وقت العشاء؟
I'm sorry?
Mr. Anas, where do you go وقت العشاء? Where do you go? So you have to mention
Yeah, where did you
masjid or
go?
mosque.
So, azan. It's azan.
Yeah.
العصر. عصر. It's Asr in Libya.
It's
Yes.
Asar. Oh, it's Asar in Libya.
It's almost 9 p.m. in Indonesia.
So is that correct? Saya pergi ke masjid waktu Isya. What do you guys think?
Isya. Can you pronounce Isa?
In
Isya.
Indonesia, we usually say it Isya. Isya.
Isya.
Isya.
So, saya pergi ke masjid waktu Isya. It's correct ya.
Okay.
Yay. And then for the last sentence. Saat ini saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Is it correct?
Yeah. This is
All of you using this sentence ya. Saat ini saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Because right now we learn Indonesian. Okay, so this is the correct sentence, Mr. Anas. Maybe you can take a screenshot.
Maybe before that, I want to add, we can also add pada in here. Pada
Yes.
means at, to show time.
Okay, bada'at. Yes.
Okay.
Actually there
Pada
is
waktu
another word. So you can use pada or saat.
Or what?
Saat. Pada and saat have the same meaning, which is at.
Show time.
Yes,
okay.
it's show
Pada
time.
or saat.
The saat, the mean as at.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Abdul is not here, yeah? All right. I think you guys already present, all of you, right?
Do you
Yeah.
want to take
So
a
you guys
screenshot,
did a
Sarah?
great job, everyone. Give a big applause to yourself. Okay, so if we learn Indonesian, no need to worry because we still learn. It's okay to make mistakes, guys. All right, now did you guys have any question? Hmm?
No.
No?
That's fine if you have a question.
Yes, that's fine. If you have a question or want to review the material. Or it's all clear?
Can you see the material again?
Yes, Kak Keisa.
Okay.
So I think that's clear, yeah? Hmm?
No question?
No question?
Tidak.
Tidak.
Okay.
Great. So if there are no question
Terima
anymore,
kasih.
terima kasih. So
Terima.
amazing. You guys did good a job, everyone. You did an excellent job, actually. And your pronunciation is getting better, ya, Kak Keisa?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Great.
you very much.
Thank you, but the internet is not good from my side.
Okay, so what did we learn today?
What did we learn today? What is it?
Aktivitas.
Aktivitas. That's
Aktivitas.
right. Betul.
Aktivitas.
Betul.
Mhm.
Benar. Betul. Great.
Aktivitas.
Aktivitas sehari-hari.
And the rutinitas.
Rutinitas.
Yes,
Aktivitas
aktivitas, rutinitas. And
As
then
activitas. Apakah?
Apakah?
Apakah? Ya.
Konjungsi.
Konjungsi. Great.
Ya.
Pagi hari,
Pagi
siang
hari.
hari,
Siang
sore
hari.
hari, malam hari.
Yay.
Waktu, yes.
Great.
Waktu.
Waktu. So,
What is the word for cooking?
yeah, what is the word for cooking?
Do you guys still remember? Cooking.
Waktu time.
What is it?
Cooking in bahasa Indonesia.
Waktu time
Cooking.
in English. Waktu.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Cooking the
Cooking. Masak.
Indonesia.
Masak. Yes. Great.
Masak.
Who's that?
Great masak.
So I want to ask you a question. Did you know the difference between aktivitas and rutinitas? What is it?
Yes.
What's the difference?
Yes, activitas.
What's the difference between them?
Actually, somehow the same.
Somehow the same.
Routines means that you do something you do every day in the morning. For example,
Great. So
manam coffee.
Rutinitas, usually we do it every day. In a
Visit
routine.
play football, for example. It's an activitas. belajar aktivitas.
Yep.
Or in the siang hari. Like this, we learned a lot, and it's fantastic language. Bahasa Inggris, yes, really fantastic.
All right. Do you still have any questions or confusions before we finish the session?
Sorry, asking me?
That's all? It's
The
fine?
session is okay, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right,
that's all.
guys.
Fine.
Yes,
All right.
I'm fine.
I think we think that's all for today. Yay! Once again, give yourself a big round of
Yay.
applause.
Terima kasih.
Yes.
Terima kasih.
Now let's take a picture together, okay?
Sanjan Birtum,
Take a picture together.
Sanjan Birtum divan kamu.
Ya, senang bertemu dengan kamu.
Senang bertemu dengan kamu juga. Okay, let's take a picture before we really finish this session, okay? I will count into 3, okay? Give your best smile.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Again.
Again.
I'm sorry. Wait, why?
Terima kasih.
I'm
Maybe
sorry.
I
Once
can
again.
take it.
1, 2, 3. Okay, great. It's already 9 p.m. in here. So thank you so much, guys, for being so awesome and energetic today. So Miss
Terima
Kak Keisa
kasih.
and I had so much fun hanging out with you guys. We really hope you to enjoy the class and didn't get too dizzy with all the daily routines. So don't forget to practice your Bahasa Indonesia every day, okay? Even if
Okay.
just whispering to your pillow,
Inshallah.
saya bangun tidur. In the
Saya
morning,
bangun tidur.
you wake up and then you whisper to your pillow, saya bangun tidur. Okay? So thank you guys. Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih. Saya sangat senang bertemu kalian semua. Alright, see you again. Dadah. You guys,
Dadah.
yeah, you can leave ya.
See you.
See you.
See you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.